I don't want to suffer like this. That I've never wanted to suffer like this. Lord, I will not remain like this. That I have to leave. My children have to leave. My work, it has to leave. My life has to enjoy. My life must have your grace. The anointing to sustain me. The anointing that I'm moving on. It has to be your grace. The wisdom, knowledge I'm moving on. It has to be your grace. My victory, let it be your grace. My healing, let it be your grace. My movements, let it be your protection. Lord, this day, and I want to testify, and the next day, that I want to testify. Today, oh Lord, I want to testify, and tomorrow I testify, and testify even next week, testify even next month, testify this year, testify next year, and the coming years to testify. My descendants to testify, my children to testify, my lineage to testify. Tell him, Lord, the prosperity of our God that is moving slowly, that moves slowly, that is not gain. Lord, I break it tonight. Give me a new prosperity. Give me a new speed. The movement of our home, the image of our home. Lord, I bury it. I bury it, Lord. The only image, I bury it. Give me a new look. Tell him, Lord, Lord, my only garment, Lord, today I believe you. I ask you to tear it. Give me a new garment, the garment of poverty. Lord, I'm tired of it. Garment of sickness. Lord, I'm tired of it. Garment of suffering. I'm tired of it. Lord, who am I? I am your child. Why am I suffering? Why am I crying? I don't have any offense. Never committed an offense. Why every spirit? Why every spirit is upon me, Lord? Could I take it off? Lift up your hands. Lift up those hands. Just join your hands and lift them up. Tell him, Lord, these hands, bless them. These hands, bless them, Lord. Whatsoever will touch, let it be fulfilled. Whatever will touch, let it be mine. Whatsoever will touch, I want it to remain with me. I block every body which has been in this hand, every curse which has been in this hand. Lord, I chase it away. This hand, hands.
Leka zikwate binene.
Let it touch big
Leka
things.
zivuge ku mamotoka.
May they drive
Leka
cars.
zikwate ku bisumuzo
They
by'enjuya.
touch cars, keys.
Leka zikwate ku binene.
And let them touch big things. Whatever you ask, the Lord is in this place. The Lord is in this place. That I want to let you know. You're going to see the hand of God. You're going to see the grace of God. Do not allow your mouth to be quiet. Declare something upon yourself. I permit you. I give you the power. Whatever out of your tongue, everything out of your mouth, it shall be that. Lord, let it be so. Let it be that. Let it be that. Let it be so. Let it be so. Let it be what everyone is speaking. Every voice. Let it be filled fast. Let it come to pass. Learn from what and become an act. You say the weak say so. They are weak people who believe in you. That from today they shall be strong. They are poor people who believe in you. That from today they will be rich. They are not swearing who believe in you. That from today they will become landlords. Lord, give it to them. Give it to them. Give it to them. Some of them have blessing, but the blessing was taken. Their blessing was taken. Lord, today open for it. Let it come back to them. Lord, let it appear. That blessing which was taken. There are women here. Your blessing of giving birth was taken. Your blessing of getting married was taken. Lord, let it come back with ease. Tell him, Lord, let it come back. Every blessing which was taken. Lord, turn me a magnet so that I attract. Make me a magnet of money. Let me become a magnet of favor. Make me a magnet of healing. Start your blessing of healing. To attract the anointing of prosperity. Declare that blessing upon yourself. Declare that blessing upon yourself. Declare that blessing. Declare that blessing upon yourself. Declare that blessing upon yourself. Declare it upon yourself. Declare a blessing upon yourself. Declare it upon yourself. Whatsoever you're praying for, the Lord is going to do it. Whatever you're praying for, God is going to do it.
nsabira abantu bano omukisa.
Lord, I declare the blessing upon these
Mukama
people.
nteeka abantu bano mu maaso go.
And I dedicate these people before you.
Mukama beetooloze ne ku lugululo y'omukisa.
Surround them with your blessing, Lord.
Mukama beetooloze ekisa ekyo.
Surround them with your grace.
Mukama beetooloze amafuta.
Surround them with that anointing.
Mukama bakozese ebinene.
Use them mighty.
Mukama bakozese ebikulu.
Use them great things.
yimusa obuweereza bwabwe.
Lift up their
Abamu
ministry.
ku bo baweereza Mukama
Some of them are ministers.
beetaaga kisa ekyo.
They need that grace.
Beetaaga